Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Okay, today we are going to learn more on your Microsoft Word. In first class, Introduction to MS Word, we already know how to type in Word, and Word is used to prepare your documents where with this also we can format our text. Okay. So in first class we have learned about format painter, which is used to copy the formatting and paste it on any other text. Today we are going to learn about two things. Okay. First thing is your subscripts. Okay. First thing is your subscripts. Second thing is your superscripts. Okay, so first we are going to learn about your subscripts and superscripts. Now what is subscript and what is superscript? Okay, so suppose I am going to write here H2O. You all know H2O is formula for your water. Okay. But in H2O, 2 should be written little bit down to your H. Okay. So how to write this H2O? First I am going to increase the font size so you all will be able to see. Now how to write this H2O? So we are going to select 2 and going to click on this super subscript. Okay. Subscript. And the shortcut key for subscript is control plus equals to. I am going to click here. What happened? H2O. Okay. Like I am going to write H2SO4. Now I want that this 2 and 4 should be in your subscript, because in chemical formulas, generally we write text little bit at the lower side. Okay. So what we are going to do, we have first written H2SO4. The things which we want to do at a subscript, select them, and what is the shortcut key for subscript? Just now we have seen. Shortcut key is your control plus equals to. Okay. So you can press control plus equals to. I am going to do undo. Again I am going to press control and equals to. Okay, I have pressed two keys together from the keyboard. Which two keys I have pressed together? Control and equals to. These two keys I have pressed together so the text will become your subscript. Okay, now we are going to, so this is your shortcut. Control equals to is your shortcut to subscript. Okay. Now what is superscript? Just opposite to that. Suppose I want to write a square plus b square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now square means your the text which will be little bit at the higher side. So how we can do the superscript? We are going to select that. Again by pressing the control key I can select and this two. And where I am going to click? On the superscript. So what happened? Your a square plus b square is written like that. This you can write with your equation also. Okay. So Word has provided you to put equations. Now how to insert equation? Click on the insert and then click on the equations. Okay. Whatever you want to write, suppose you want to write this thing. So a is equals to pi r square. Suppose you want to write x is equals to pi r square. So you can change it or write it. So this can be written by your equation also. Okay, so this is your subscript. Subscript is your the text which is your the effect which will be provided to your text, and this will make your text little bit slightly below the line of the normal printed text and superscript above the line of the printed text. So these are the two things, subscript and superscript, which you can do at your home for practice. Now the next thing, okay, next thing we are going to learn about it. Now what is the shortcut key for superscript? Shortcut key for superscript is your control plus shift plus plus, means your shortcut key for superscript. What is the shortcut key for superscript is here? You have to press control key, okay, then you have to press shift key, and you have to press plus key. These three keys, 1, 2 and 3, these three keys you have to press together to make it superscript. Okay, so what you have to remember: shortcut key for subscript, shortcut key for superscript, and how to write formulas in your Word. Now we are going to learn about your find the text and replace the text. Okay, find and replace. So for that, first I am going to delete this. Okay. Now I am going to paste it something here which I have already copied. Okay, about your Harry Potter. So now this is our text and we want to find some word here. Okay, we want to find suppose Harry Potter here, and we want to change the name Harry Potter to someone else. Suppose I am going to write about your Avenger. Okay, instead of Harry Potter I am going to write it here Avenger. So how to find and how to replace. Okay, so first, for finding the text you have to click on your home tab. Okay, now here you can see at the last group, this is your editing group. On the home tab, this is home tab, see my mouse, and on the home tab, editing group. What I have to find? Okay, so find. Now find what? What you want to find? So suppose I am going to find Harry Potter. Okay, and replace. Now this Harry Potter I want to replace with suppose I am going to write here Avenger. Okay, so now instead of my Harry Potter, my story character will change and it will be your Avenger. This example you have seen in one movie, that is your Three Idiots. If you remember, find and replace text. Okay, so what I am going to click here? Find what? Harry Potter I have to find and replace with Avenger. Now I am going to click on replace. What happened? See, replace all. What message will be there? Word has completed its search of the document and made 3 replacement. Means in this document 3 places Harry Potter was written and now it will change to your Avenger. Just see that. See, this is your 1 replacement and any other. This is your 2nd replacement Avenger. Okay, and this is your again 3rd replacement. So this is your 3 replacement, 1, then your 2, and then your 3rd is your, this is your Avenger. Okay, so these are the find and replace. Now what is the shortcut key for find and replace? So shortcut key for find is Control plus F. Okay, shortcut key for find is Control plus F, means you have to press these two keys together, Control and F. Now, what is the shortcut key for replace? So, shortcut key for replace. Okay. Now, see here, I'm going to click it here over the mouse. Control plus H. Control plus H. So this is your shortcut key for replace. Now where this find and replace options present? Under your editing group. See, this is your editing group. And on which tab? So home tab. Okay. So find and replace option present on home tab. Which group? Editing group. Okay, and shortcut key is your Control plus F and Control plus H. That's all for today. Find out the things and replace the word in your word. Okay, so three things we have learned. One is your shortcut key for your superscript, subscript, then shortcut key for your find and replace, and the options used your subscript, superscript, find and replace. So four options we have learned today. Goodbye for now. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye.